first reaction was, man, these things are ugly. I wish I could say that, they were so nice that they only needed a little bit of tweaking, but there was great potential.
One of the quotes that I've heard is, your products look like 50s farm equipment. We really wanted to come up with a new lift that kind of fresh to the market. It's very appealing to the eye.
The Brown Ability inboard lift has a number of design features that are unique and distinctive. The curvature of the parallel arms, the vertical arm, and the towers. That curve continues on all three elements to unify them together so that they look like they belong together. And then the LED lights. This design integrates them along the side rail, and they're hidden, yet they give full visibility to the platform and the user to operate the device.
So one of the interesting things about the hand pendant in design and functionality is the light on the side of the hand pendant. That actually started as a mistake. And when the designer, at one point we had a short turnaround and the designer was coming up with different shapes. And in the software, when he put together the two pieces, the blue and the black piece, there was an area that he just didn't fill in. He was in a hurry. And when we looked at that, we decided we liked it. It was this white strip around it. We turned it into a light. A little serendipity for the project team.
It was important that the user understand how they can operate this in a way that is easy and understandable. Additionally, for safety, the pendant is designed in such a way that it's protected so that you can't accidentally activate it. When it sits in its carriage on the vehicle, it can't be operated.
One of the design aspects we wanted to meet was that the lift would look beautiful and stay beautiful. So in order to achieve this, we use stainless steel on any wear surfaces so they won't rust if powder coat is rubbed off. We also limited our contact with moving components and with the ground.
So we looked at making it look intentionally light, intentionally durable, and intentionally distinctive. All of those things together helped us come up with the look. We were able to come up with a new design that's very distinctive and unique in the marketplace and stands out from the others.